Nadia Montenegro assures everyone that she is recovering after her heart procedure. Nadia Montenegro after her medical procedure, I'm back home. I just need to heal a little. Love Before Sunrise star Nadia Montenegro took to Facebook to give an update after undergoing a heart surgery recently. In a 6-minute video she uploaded on Facebook that has now been deleted, Nadia wanted to allay fears of everyone about her health. Nadia said, "To everyone who messaged, texted me, mga calls na hindi ko nasagot, who posted, all your prayers, and all your good and kind words, thank you so much talaga. Yes, prayers does move mountains and of course we have the God who has so faithful, so I'm so grateful." The TV movie actress continued, "Ayoko lang kasi na parang ang dami nang lumalabas, ang dami nang nagwo-worry. May mga issue, may mga write-ups na lumalabas. I just want everyone to know, I'm back home. I just need to heal a little." Talking about her medical surgery, Nadia then explained that she had an ablation. According to hopkinsmedicine.org, ablation is a procedure to treat atrial fibrillation. It uses small burns or freezes heart cells to cause some scarring on the inside of the heart. This helps break up or insulate the electrical signals that cause irregular heartbeats. This can help the heart maintain a normal heart rhythm. For ablation, a healthcare provider puts a thin wire catheter into a blood vessel in the groin and threads it up to the heart. This may be done in one or both groins. Ablation procedure po ang ginawa sa puso ko. I'm hilang medyo bruised up lang po kasi ang ablation surgery po ay ginagawa po sa groin, Nadia shared. Bali 4 po na catheter ang pinasok po sa aking right artery and then 3 po ang pinasok naman sa aking left artery. Ang procedure po na ginawa ay hindi po stent, hindi rin po ako na angioplasty, hindi rin po ako na open heart surgery. Ito po ay isang procedure na ginagawa sa heart wherein kinaklamp, kinakat, or burn na tinatawag po nila ang isang parte ng aking nerve dahil po mayroon po akong sobrang nerve. So kinailangan pong i-cut yun. Prior to her ablation procedure, Nadia was diagnosed with Wolff-Parkinson-White WPW syndrome. Based on the information from the MayoClinic.org, WPW is a heart condition present at birth. People with WPW syndrome have an extra pathway for signals to travel between the heart's upper and lower chambers, causing a fast heartbeat. Meanwhile, Ina Asistio revealed in a Facebook post last November 20 that her mom Nadia came so close to having a heart attack due to her WPW condition. Last week, she came very close to having a heart attack due to her Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, a rare condition she has had since birth. This syndrome causes an irregular heartbeat and includes an extra valve in her heart. Her condition worsened last week, making it necessary to perform an urgent heart procedure. The procedure took place this morning and was successful. However, shortly after, she experienced a severe seizure lasting 2 hanggang 3 minutes, which triggered a code blue in the hospital. Thankfully, she is now stable and recovering. Once again, thank you all for your prayers and support. Thank you, Lord.